In this video, we will discuss the many benefits that come with being a brand owner on Amazon. Enrollment in the Amazon Brand Registry provides greater contribution over the detail pages of your products in the catalogue, access to tools that will help you in reporting violations against inauthentic products or usage of your brand content through simple workflows, the ability to upload and manage videos on the detail pages of your products. You also get access to premium A+ content, which increases engagement with best-in-class detail page experiences, which uses more real estate on the detail page and provide richer media content, which can result in higher conversion rates, increased traffic, and increased sales. Amazon Stores allows the creation of a website-style landing page to help customers discover more information about your brand products. Stores are free and easily created with self-service drag-and-drop tools, and no coding knowledge is necessary. When you create a store, you receive your own web address with amazon.com.au. Open up new advertising options with sponsored brands and display ads. Sponsored brands feature your brand logo, a custom headline, and up to 3 of your products. These ads appear in multiple locations on desktop and mobile pages, including the above search results. Sponsored display campaigns use auto-generated display creatives that can help inspire purchase and have the familiar Amazon look and feel. Based on the targeting options you select, your ads can run on Amazon desktop and mobile, both on detail pages and across other Amazon pages. Get access to the brand dashboard and brand analytics tools available exclusively for brands to optimize their business on Amazon. These tools will help you identify opportunities to improve the customer experience, traffic, and conversion. You can run experiments to A/B tests, which detail pages driving better conversion. Brand Registry also opens up the possibility of enrolling into Transparency, a product serialization service that helps identify individual units and proactively prevents counterfeits from reaching customers. Come build your brand with Amazon. Thank you, and happy selling!